coming out today. Thank you all for coming out to make a difference. And our profound, I'm sorry, this is as loud as it gets. But what a nice problem to have that so many people turn out today. Isn't this incredible? And this is exactly what we need. We need people all over America to turn out in groups like this, turn out every day, and turn out on the day that really matters, when we march on the polls. But I want to acknowledge those incredibly brave young people from Parkland. They got a national movement started. Now their school, tragically, wasn't the first, and it won't be the last to experience the horror of someone running down the hallways with a military assault weapon or any weapon shooting at their classmates. In the years, just in the last several years, we've seen tragedy after tragedy after tragedy. And so many of us wondered, after Sandy Hook in particular, when those beautiful young lives were cut so tragically short, what more could it take? What more could possibly be necessary to get people in the Congress of the United States to do the right thing? Now people have criticized that security guard for standing outside and not doing his job at Parkland. Well, there are plenty of people who I work with in the Capitol who stand inside and don't do their jobs. And the people that I serve with, they're not in fear of a gunman. They don't require the courage to confront a gunman. They just require the courage to confront the NRA. And those that don't are just the worst form of cowards. These young people in Parkland who have started this movement have shown us the kind of courage that it will take, the kind of determination that this time it will be different. This time we will not go away. This time we will not back down. This time we will demand change, or we will get rid of every last member of Congress if we need to.
Except for you! Thank you, Adam! Thank you, Adam! Thank you, Adam!
Thank you. Thank you for turning out. Thank you for not losing hope. Thank you for not losing faith that we can make a difference, we can make a change in this system, that our country is still strong enough, still resilient enough to make a difference in our lives. To be inspired by these beautiful young people, to keep the memory of those who were lost alive in each one of us, and to go forward with a determination that on Election Day, things are going to change. The NRA doesn't represent me, it doesn't represent you, it doesn't even represent their own members. And we're going to take control of this country. We're going to make sure that our kids are safe. What kind of family value is it if you can't send your kids to school and be confident they'll come home in one piece?
That's right.
Those are the values that we stand for, and those are the values that we're going to fight for. And I thank you, and God bless you, and we're going to make a difference. Let's march, and let's march, and let's march on the polls. Thank you very much.